lecture today was on urban design and the importance of designing the city, taking into account the quality of urban spaces in order to improve the quality of the environment and of the living spaces for the people. So I was very happy to have students and faculty members among the public. I think it's important for them because it broadens their knowledge on other projects that are nowadays happening in other cities of the world. So I was very glad to have this contribution where they may have new images that they can use as tools for their future as architects and urban planners and also engineers. I think it's fundamental to have a background of a general idea, at least, of what is being done in the rest of the world, because we can build on top of that instead of starting as if we didn't have the help of the experience of others.
بەگشتی سیمینارێکی پڕ زانیاری و بەسوود بوو هەم وەکو ئەندازیار هەم وەکو گەنجێکیش بەشداریمان کرد لەم سیمینارەدا ئاڵۆگۆڕێکی زانیاری ئەندازیاری باش بوو لە بینی یعنی ئەو دەستکەوتانی ئەو زانیارانی کە لە ئیتاڵیا هەیە و لەگەڵ گەنجانی خۆشمان و بە تایبەتی زانکۆی سلێمانی چەند پرسیارێک و توێژێک ئاڵۆگۆڕ کرایەوە لە نێوان هەردوولادا.
The VIM Foundation was for me fundamental in the upbringing of this event, as I had the chance a couple of weeks ago of talking with people from the BIM Foundation who put me also into contact with local architects. So I had like a preview of the ideas that interest the public here. So I tried to present the work I generally study, taking into account what is needed here. So for me, VIM was a fundamental part of me getting to know you and to adapt what I may talk about with the students and faculty here in order for it to be more useful.
مێ سپاسی دامەزراوی ویم کەم بۆ ڕێخستنی ئەم وەرکشۆپ و سیمینارانە لەبەرەوەی ئەبێت هۆی ئاڵۆگۆڕکردنی زانیاری لە بینی هەم گەنجانی خۆمان و هەم ئەو زانیاریانی کە لە دەرەوەشا هەیە ئەمەش لە کۆتاییدا سوود بە کۆمەڵگەی خۆمان ئەگەێنێ.
I think you're doing a great job. I would love to follow on my collaboration with you. I think putting together the academy, so university and people from the culture and from other countries is fundamental in order to grow in a more funded way and have the references that allow you to have more quality in your city, in your living environment, and make also your contribution to the rest of the world. So it's not only a one-direction effect, but you should also come to visit us and tell us how you do the things and make it an interesting dialogue.